What's up, guys? It's John here. Today I want to show you an investment opportunity where you can invest in apartment building with only $5,000 that pay you a 4.5% in rental dividend income. Before we get started, I would like to ask you a small favor. Please smash the like button and subscribe. That will help my YouTube algorithm tremendously. Thank you in advance. So the investment opportunity is called Mugo REIT 2. It's a public non-traded REIT, real estate investment trust, investing in apartment buildings. The focus is on rental income generations as well as the long-term capital appreciation from the renovation of the property. And so the source of the cash flow is from tenants paying rent and additional income stemming from enhancement to the property, such as adding laundry facility or improve some of the amenity, like a new pool, things like that. So the capital appreciation will actually come from some form of property improvement in order to increase the rental and ultimate the resale value of the property. For their target markets, the focus on regions with strong economic fundamentals and apartment community. They show consistent high occupancy and income level across market cycle. So now the property are in Dallas, Fort Worth, San Antonio, Texas. They also have some property in Brooklyn, New York, as well as Hartford, Connecticut. This investment makes rental distribution every quarter, and it's just like paying dividends. Currently, the dividend distribution rate is about 4.5%, which is very attractive given the current environment. You can't get any bond that generate more than 2%. And some dividend stock will pay more, but they are very volatile, whereas apartment building value tends to be more stable. So if you have $10,000 invested in this investment trust, you will get $450 per year in passive, kind of like rental income, not including the future price appreciation of the building. And the minimum to get into this investment is only $5,000. Here, I'm going to give you some of the pros and cons of this investment. One of the pros is this investment focus on cash flowing, lower risk apartment building. You know, doesn't matter what situation, we all need a place to live. Same for apartment building. As economic situation change, sometimes people have to sell their house, but they will have to rent somewhere. They will have to rent an apartment building. So apartment building is considered one of the lower risk investment property. The second pro is since the buildings require some improvement, they're usually bought at a below market value price. This gives you some safety net in case you make the wrong decision. It will have some margin of error built in. So if you hold it for long term, the price will go up. The third pro is the company Realty Mugo has a team doing the due diligence on the building before they buy it. So they're seasoned professionals. They've been looking into all the angle. They look at the rent roll. They inspect the building. They line up a good financing mortgage for the building. So they're a team, a professional team. They have to do all the reviewing and due diligence before they buy their building. One of the drawbacks is that since the fund only owns 8 properties, there is a concentration risk. If one property goes down, it will affect about 13% of your overall portfolio. So this is one of the risks you have to consider. They only currently they own 8 properties. The second drawback is that the investment was launched in 2018. So it's relatively new and it has limited operating history to go by when you want to consider and comparing with other investment opportunity. So that's another risk that you have to consider. Okay, I would like to get some feedback from you. Comment below. Let me know what you think. I also provide private financial and tax consultation. So for any inquiry, my email is listed below in the description section. So I hope you learned something today. This is one of the new opportunity I want to show you ways to earn passive income, start investing in rental property, and especially commercial property, apartment buildings. Usually these take millions and millions of capital to own one. But because of this new investment opportunity, it gives people like us with a more reasonable budget to start investing in this type of commercial property. So I hope you learned something today. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. I produce new content every week and I don't want you to miss it. So I'll see you in my next video.